एक एक्शन प्लॅन दिल्ले हायकोर्टान आनी आमी इंटरवेंशन केल्लें कित्याक आमकां जाय आसलें तें नॉट पर्टिक्युलरली टार्गेटींग एनी पर्टिक्युलर इवेंट ऑर्गनायजेशन ऑर अ प्लेस आमगे कितें इट शूड बी एज फार एज ओवरऑल मॉनिटरिंग ऑफ दिस साउंड पोल्यूशन because it's not just one event, it is all put together that the sound causes the problem for the people. When High Court and Maksangla today we're concentrating only on the Sunburn, so we'll focus on that. And I action plan for it, okay. Then I pointed out that there were two issues. One was about playing music from 10 o'clock to 12, and that they were trying to have these permissions for that. In fact, a statement was also made that Dupa Zatamon, that all these festivals in these notified periods can go until 12 o'clock. And I sangla that is not correct, and it is only for religious, cultural, and for this thing what you call that religious and cultural events. So it cannot be for these commercial events. So Baki AG inshallah, AG said that we will not give them below after 10 o'clock. So they record a statement and they've accepted a statement. I'm also told that now there is a sinister plan that to have Sunburn festival also on 31st. So put on inshallah clarification. Then AG said as a policy, government has taken decision not to grant permission on 31st. They record kala and accepted as a statement to the court. So I think this is a people's victory. Kita munda lo kaha tinga, they are suffering. When you hear the stories, you come to know, and I'm happy that the two honorable judges, Justice Sonath and Justice Valmiki Menezes, stood up to understand the people's problems and feel the pain they suffer, and especially the children also have to undergo the torture. And I'm mugi application एक petition रहा था तेगे बुर्गी दाखले बुर्गी autistic child, तेका seizures जाता है loud music वाजवले. So I think we need to think of a larger interest of all the people, and I'm glad that the High Court stood up to vindicate the rights and to uphold the law. And law ka nyay manna karna. When they go knocking to the doors of the police, they go to the deputy collector, when they go to pollution control board, and nobody is listening. Finally, they have to knock the doors of the court, and the court has come and always, as always, stood up to defend the rights of the people.